This video comes from Burbank, California and showcases a shocking hit-and-run incident on Chandler Boulevard.
Hit and run accident the 12th of November 22. Hit and run accident on Chandler Boulevard between Parrish and Lamer. Their car sustained passenger side damage including severe tire damage. Because I have a piece of the rim and mirrors, DM me if you have footage of a small black SUV changing their tire or had a flat in front of their house at approximately 3:15 a.m. on the 12th of November 22.
The car sustained passenger side damage, including some severe tire damage. This ring footage from Newark, New Jersey shows a man stealing some packages from a front doorstep. This video from the Bronx in New York shows a porch pirate stealing an Amazon package.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
The camera even tells the man he's being recorded, but the thief walks away with the package in hand, indifferent to the message. This clip shows a man on a bicycle pacing around back and forth, seeming to debate whether or not he's going to steal something from this house, before eventually deciding not to.
Can I help you? Why don't you put that shit back? I'm sure you just were. Lady, I saw you with my packages in your hand. And that camera right there just saw you too. Should I call the sheriff's office? Yeah, I know where you live. Where the fire trucks always are.
A video from North Hollywood, California shows a thief stealing some Christmas decorations from this front lawn.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, I got you on the ring, you. Yeah, I see who you are.
Take a look at this video of a woman yelling at a porch pirate.
It's my aunt. It's my aunt. I am. Your package got caught and they went to go get it. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. That's my cousin.
This Karen is shown complaining about her neighbor's sprinkler being on, for some strange reason.
Hello? Oh, hi. Sorry to bother you, but your sprinkler out front is broken and its water is spewing out. So you either need to tell the property owner or I will unfortunately have to report you to the water district for misuse of water. So I just wanted to let you know about your sprinkler.
Okay.
The uploader of this video from Huntington Park, California, says that people stole her neighbor's car from this parking structure at 5:50 in the morning on November 20th of 2022.
Is it a push button? How do you get it started so fast?
It's a 2015 white Kia Optima with the license plate reading 8PJF507. Doorbell camera footage from Carmichael, California shows a man walking up to this house, where a bike sits near the garage door. The man hops on the bike and pedals away with it. Tampa, Florida, a doorbell camera shows this person stealing packages from porches in broad daylight. The person then hides the packages underneath their shirt. This doorbell footage shows a Karen pretending to be a government official to get her way.
Who are you? Investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
Okay, so who are you looking for?
Do you own this property? Are you the owner?
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of the property.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California that you'll know how to find a property owner.
Well, if you're not the tenant on the lease, then I'm going to have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days. You understand?
You're funny.
Are you're laughing at me?
You look like you're on drugs.
Unless
you okay?
Looks like you're on drugs.
Well, you're being recorded,
so
I hope that you're representing.
It doesn't matter.
You will be recorded. So you're.
It doesn't matter.
Well,
it doesn't matter.
We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're. Well, this house looks like it's got issues.
You look like you have issues.
And there's no.
Some bitch.
Okay. Oh, some bitch at your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm going to prove to the police that you don't own it. Okay.
You're a squatter. You're on my property. Get off of it.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number out here and your son's card, and I'm going to make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
Handle your business, bitch.
Handle your business, because this house looks like shit.
You look like shit. Go take a shower.
You got spider webs in your lawn.
You had spider webs in your car.
You know what? Go back to doing your drugs and squat on houses that you can't afford, lady, because you're going to be gone.
A thief was caught trespassing on this man's property in Carmichael, California.
You need something, bro?
Oh, I used to live here.
Nah, but you don't live here now, so you need to get the fuck on.
Alright.
Yeah, and don't walk back here again, bro. Take your ass on somewhere.
We recently had a burglar try to enter our house early in the morning. The Ring camera system did a great job capturing the burglar while we were at home. It provided a notification for us to take action.
This video shows footage from our Ring Doorbell Pro and the new Ring floodlight camera, which I also did a video review for. I've put a link for that in the description. At 6:30 a.m., our roommate left our house while we were still inside sleeping. Shortly after he left, you can see the suspect watch him leave and then return to our house. At this point, he tried to open our front door. We got a notification on our phone that there was motion at the front door, and then 2 minutes later, at the backyard, you can see him already in my backyard and then double checking to make sure that he was at the right house. It provided great footage and awareness that allowed us to take action and notify the police. Just a few seconds later, he appeared in our side yard and was quickly greeted by me screaming at the top of my lungs to chase him away. As I was able to provide the police an accurate real-time description of the burglar due to the nice video quality of the Ring cameras. The police were on the scene in a few minutes, and thanks to other cooperative neighbors, he didn't go very far and was caught down the street. The Ring cameras work. They provided us notification and the ability to prepare ourselves. It gave us an accurate description and understanding for how the burglar entered our property and ultimately chose our house. The videos were easily sent to the police as evidence with a quick email to their CSI department to incriminate the suspect. We hope your Ring story doesn't involve your family's safety at risk, but hopefully it will prepare you if the time ever comes.
Take a look at this package thief who was caught on camera in broad daylight. Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. This truly shocking piece of doorbell footage captures 2 armed would-be burglars appearing at this man's front door in the middle of the night. Things take a startling turn when one of the men ends up accidentally shooting himself in the leg. Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.